Hello folks. uh, so in this video I'll walk you through the installation steps for bindPDF app on your Mac OS system, as well as how to use it to combine multiple PDF files into a single PDF file. um, so I've been reading a few articles on this website joylonsoftware.com. Using Chrome's uh, print and save as PDF option, I saved these articles into separate PDF files. So these are those PDF files, as you can see over here. So yeah, there are multiple pages. Now I wanted to combine all these separate PDF files into a single PDF file. uh, so for that we can use bindPDF. So there are instructions about how to download and install it. So we'll just head on to releases page from here and download this DMG file. uh, it's already there. I'm going to replace it, and once it is downloaded, let's open it and move this bindPDF app into the applications folder, and done. And now we'll use Spotlight search to search for the bindPDF app. Okay, it is asking that the bindPDF app is downloaded from elsewhere on the internet other than the App Store. So we'll just need to uh, follow the instructions correctly and open it, and click open. And once it is done, I can see the bindPDF app over here. I'll click on it, and here you go. So it is asking me to choose PDF files to combine together, so I'll click on that. Okay, so I can select certain files. So these are the multiple PDF files that I want uh, to combine together. So I'll just open them. Okay, so as we can see here, they are. And I can also see the live preview. So for example, so this is the first PDF. Then there goes the don't let architecture astronauts scare you. So that is the second one. I can also say, for example, I want the gel test to appear at the beginning. So yeah, I just dragged and dropped it, and as you can see, it is appearing uh, at top, and then the uh, other PDF documents have been combined after that. One more thing is we can add more documents. So for example, I'll try to remove the gel test using swipe, and then let's say add it again. See, and move it at the top. So as we can see the preview, and if it looks good, we can export it. So I'll say Joel on software articles and save it to documents folder, and that's it, it's saved. So here it is, Joel on software. If we open it, we can see that it now has 37 pages, and it has combined all of them together. See, so yeah, that is the job of bindPDF, to combine multiple PDF files into a single file. That is it. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.